Good morning, everybody. I am Dhrita Srivastav, a Vita Junior student, and I've made this project as part of my course. So, this is a sprite dance party. Let's run it. So, if I click on this, it will start dancing left and right. If I click on this, I don't know what it does. It goes here and there and changes the background to sci-fi. And this changes the background to a galaxy and turns the size too big and goes somewhere. Now let's see the code. So this is the code for it. I have set the background to underwater and made the three sprites, Froggy, Stars and Gristat. So when Froggy is clicked, sprite Froggy begins to dance. And this is what it does while it is dancing. This sprite random increases from 5 to -5 pixels forward and edges block the sprite from moving. Stars starts cooking. It sets the background to galaxy. This sprite moves 10 pixels forward, turns right by 99 degrees and changes it to size by 50. And even though the edges block the sprite from moving, it goes somewhere else. And Gristat starts twisting. It sets the background to sci-fi. It moves 10 pixels forward and jumps to random locations and edges block it from moving. One sec. I did something wrong over here. It should be this sprite. Bye. Have a nice day.